Leo was a fluffy little monkey with a tail like a curly ribbon and eyes full of wonder. When evening drifted into the forest, he found his favorite place, a vine hammock swaying gently between two moonlit branches. Above him lived a sleepy green parrot with feathers the color of fresh leaves. The parrot settled high in the treetop, tucked its bright green head under one wing, and gave a soft little sigh. "Time to dream, little explorer," whispered the parrot. Leo smiled and swung a tiny bit back and forth, just enough to feel like he was floating on a cloud made of vines. The leaves around him rustled in a whispery lullaby, as if the whole forest were singing a quiet goodnight. Then the fireflies arrived, twinkling on and off like tiny lanterns. They hovered near the branches and glowed softly across Leo's fur and the parrot's feathers. They were not there to hurry anyone. They were simply gentle nightlights, showing the way to peaceful dreams. Leo stretched his paws and looked up at the parrot. "Thank you for the dream words," he said. The parrot only smiled in its sleepy way and kept its head tucked safely under its wing. Leo thought about all the curious places he had explored that day: a fern tunnel, a pond with round lily pads, and a fruity tree that smelled sweet as summer. He did not need to hurry to any of them again. They would wait kindly for morning. So Leo closed his eyes and listened to the leaves, the quiet breeze, and the tiny crackle of firefly light. The vine hammock rocked as softly as a parent's hug.